guys, Ronnie with TechnicallySpeakn. Today we're doing a review on TEC.BEAN 4K action camera. Let's get into it. Alright, the reason why I ordered this camera is because I wanted to do some action shots outside with my son. I was trying to get something that was like a GoPro but with a better price point. So I'm just trying to see if these budget cameras can hang with the big boy, the GoPro. So let's check it out. It has a 16 megapixel sensor, 170-degree fisheye lens. It's Wi-Fi and it supports Android and ISO. It has a battery life of 70 minutes and it has a 2-inch LCD screen on the back of it. Check it out. Okay, out the box, camera comes with instruction manual. Got these little straps hook onto it so you don't fall. Got a cloth. I don't know what this is. Has these little mounts. Two little mounts. One of them has a tripod hole in it. Has these stickies on the back so you can stick them to like walls, dashboard, stuff like that. Comes with a belt clip. It's kind of a little clip to hook it on and stuff. Extra battery. Extra sticky things. What else? Has this. This is like a tripod case. Has a tripod hole on the top and the bottom. It's like a camera holder. Has a whole bunch of these little stand things for all different sizes of them. All different types of little mounts, like little standoffs. Has one real big one, nice tall one. It has a like a handlebar holder, handlebar clip, whatever they call it, I don't know. Has a USB to USB. USB to micro USB. An extra door for the back of this case that you have here. Has a couple of zip ties. It actually has another tripod holder, something you can screw in with the tripod screw on the bottom. And it has the waterproof case that opens like this. The camera out of here. Check it out. Whoa! Alright. You have a mode button, which is also the power button. An OK button. A volume rocker, and on this side you have where you have your HD out, your USB where you hook your micro USB up to it, USB 2.0, and you have your SD card. Let's try and cut it on, check it out. This camera shoots 4K at 30 frames per second, shoots 1080 at 60 and 30 frames per second, and does 720 at 90 frames per second. Has Wi-Fi, image rotate. There's a lot of features on it. And the way you scroll through the menu is The power button is also the mode button, and it also takes you to the different menus, and you scroll up and down with the rocker on the side of it, and you enter the menu. You hit enter with the OK button that's on top. So, gonna take it out, do a little shooting, let you know how I feel about it. Final verdict on TechnicallySpeakn 4K camera. Is it consumable? I would say yes and no. Yes, if you're just trying to shoot around the house, shoot your kids or anything, like a game or anything. Yeah, it's cool for that. No, if you're trying to do professional videos, wouldn't work. And the features, a lot of features, they really don't matter because they don't really work that good. Things like slow-mo, it's not really worth anything. And the 4K, it's not 4K, but the 1080 looks real good. So if you want to just shoot videos, action videos with this, like hobby, weekend warrior, this would be the camera for you. But if you're looking for something more professional, this wouldn't work. So, is it consumable? I'm gonna leave that one up to you all. Leave a comment below if you will get this. Leave a comment if you wouldn't. Leave a comment and let me know if you have better cameras that I should try out. This is Ronnie with TechnicallySpeakn. Remember, don't be consumed. I'm out.